Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Fox's YouTube math lessons. Today's lesson is on absolute value, and I've drawn a number line for you. I've got different colors so you can see easily where the numbers go. And I want to start off with the definition of absolute value first and foremost. And it is how far a number is away from the number 0 on the number line. Below is drawn a number line for you. 0 is black. All the positives are on the green side. All the negatives are on the red side. And so when you're looking at the number line, no matter where you are on it, you're always looking to see how far away from 0 you are. So let's take the number 3, for instance. How far away from 0 is 3 on the number line? Well, you can see that it's 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3. And on the opposite side, -3, if I were here, how far away is -3 from 0 on the number line? It's also 3 tick marks away. 1, 2, 3. And that's what you're going to use today to do absolute value. How absolute value is written is like the following. Let me erase the definition here. Absolute value is written with bars on the side. They are straight and they have a number inside of it. This would read, what is the absolute value of the number 3? Which means how far away from 0 on the number line is 3. And we already know that the answer is 3 tick marks. Now, if I change that and I put a negative sign inside, this would read, what is the absolute value of -3 on the number line, or how far away is -3 from 0 on the number line? And that would be 3 spaces too, as we discussed earlier. 1, 2, 3. So that's your answer there. Let's do a couple more problems. What is the absolute value of -1? Which means how far away is -1 from 0 on the number line? -1's right here, 0's right here next to it, so that would be 1 space. Your answer is +1. What is the absolute value of 10? Meaning how far away is +10 on the number line from 0? 10 would be way up here on the green side, and of course that would be 10 spaces away from 0, so the answer is 10. What happens though when they try to trick us and we have a positive number inside but the negatives on the outside? Well, what happens here is first you take the problem, what is the absolute value of 4? How far away from 0 is 4 on the number line? And your answer is 4, of course. Whoops, write this neater here. And then you take this negative sign and simply bring him over here and write him in front. And your answer is -4. So the negative does not change when it's on the outside of the bars. Let's do another example. What is the absolute value? Let's do 8. Of a +8 with a negative on the outside of the bars. So first, we tackle what's inside the bars. Absolute value of 8 is definitely 8. 8 is 8 spaces away from 0 on the number line. And then we take the negative and slide them over here. And our answer is -8. What happens when they try to go one step further? And we'll put 7 here. We haven't used that one yet. Absolute value of -7, but then there's a negative on the outside. I'll take you through this one. It's quite easy. What is the absolute value of -7? How far away from 0 is -7 on the number line? That's definitely 7 spaces. And then we take the negative on the outside and simply bring it over. Let me slide that 7 over for you. And put it in front. And the answer is -7. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please ask me during class.